If your Spectrum Arris cable box isn't turning on, start by checking the power outlet. Make sure it's working properly by testing it with another device or trying a different outlet entirely. Next, inspect the cable connections. Check the coaxial cable from the wall to the box and any Ethernet cables to devices. Ensure they are securely plugged in and not damaged. Loose connections are a common cause of power issues. Perform a power cycle. Unplug the box from the power source for 60 seconds, then plug it back in. This simple step often resolves minor glitches that prevent the box from turning on. Check your surge protector. If you suspect it's malfunctioning, bypass it by plugging the box directly into a wall outlet to rule out this as the cause. If you suspect cable damage, use a multimeter to check for signal continuity. This tool can help verify if the cables are functioning properly. Finally, ensure the box has adequate ventilation and is not overheating. Place it in a well-ventilated area away from heat sources to prevent shutdowns. If your Arris box is stuck in a boot loop, continuously restarting it likely indicates a firmware issue. A factory reset can help. Locate the reset button, usually a small pinhole on the back of the box. With the box powered on, press and hold the reset button for 10 to 15 seconds. This will restore the box to its default settings. You can also check your signal strength in the Spectrum app to ensure you are getting an adequate signal. According to CNET, it's always important to check for updates first, as Spectrum's patches have saved millions in support costs. If problems persist, there could be deeper firmware issues or hardware failure. Contact Spectrum support for remote diagnostics or a potential hardware replacement, especially if the box is under warranty, typically 1 to 2 years. As of 2025, Spectrum is moving towards no-box streaming, so it's worth considering if hardware replacement is needed. If these steps do not work, you may need to contact Spectrum. If contacting Spectrum, do not install the Spectrum app, as it may take control of the device.